Right now at 5:30, a Fort Lauderdale police officer who was caught on camera shoving a protester during a Black Lives Matter march will soon go on trial.
But his attorneys are still insisting he did nothing wrong. Local 10's Andrew Perez is live with what happened in court today. Andrew.
Attorneys right now, they're arguing about what the jury should be allowed to see, what they should hear. The defense wants an expert to testify about why this officer felt threatened. This is leading up to the trial, all the arguments ironed out. The attorney for Stephen Poherence made his case for why this police use of force expert should be allowed to testify.
The state was seeking to exclude him as a witness under a legal standard.
It becomes important for jurors to understand the absolute dangerous circumstances.
Poherence is facing a battery charge after this incident in 2020 during a Black Lives Matter protest in downtown Fort Lauderdale. The protesters' arms are in the air, and Poherence is apparently reprimanded shortly after that shove. Fort Lauderdale police suspended him soon thereafter, revealing dozens of other complaints against him. The state saying this expert use of force witness has his own method of analyzing threats and incidents.
No other police agency is utilizing this. No police academy is utilizing this. These 5 categories, there's no real data to support it.
But the defense says Major Carlos Gonzalez is a veteran officer, 28 years, and the director of the Miami-Dade Police Safety and Training Institute, explaining this shove as a swim move in a hostile crowd during a hostile situation.
My first concern would be to clear the hands and swim over or swim through to get past.
The judge ruling Gonzalez can testify before a jury. Poherence's attorney argues he did not escalate tensions that day. They were already tense.
My conversations with all of the officers that were present, they were scared to death. This was a dangerous, angry crowd that had become agitated.
It's a lot of back and forth on this. The next argument up is whether or not the jury should be allowed to see the part of that video where Poherence is being reprimanded by another officer right there on scene after that confrontation. That is coming up. This is expected to go before a jury in the beginning of December. We'll keep you posted. That's the latest here in Fort Lauderdale. I'm Andrew Perez, Local 10 News.
Okay, thank you, Andrew.